now we have touchscreen, everything, and all like that. But back in the day, we used to have them turn off turn off the, you know, and especially like on audio equipment, you used to have these little bitty knobs, and you had to fix your finger the right way to grab it because they didn't have it protruding out uh, enough for you to really grab, get a good grip of it and turn the knob. And then it seemed like it was hard to turn on top of that, you know. But he had the little, you know, I'm telling you, he had that little bitty thing there, and he was trying to get a grip of that little thing where he could uh, get it going. I don't know if he was already going or what, because it was so tiny for thing. Uh, he was grabbing it like that, and he trying to wiggle it around a little bit so he can get himself together. I felt so sorry for him. I almost didn't want to block him. At least I did say a prayer for him, that God will, uh, well, give him peace in his mind at least. You know, maybe he don't deserve no peace. I ain't sure, and I ain't the one that does that, but I had to say a little prayer for him. Cause it's a little bit of thing he had, and then it wouldn't even get hard. The little, that was already hard. Uh, you know, y'all. I won't get off that subject because that little dollar store book, dictionary, it's like the little man, the man with the little, stop it. You know, ladies now, all ladies know what I mean when I say, when a man, okay, we don't care nothing about, uh, we don't really hold it against you when you got a little bitty uh, tubes you work and your little, uh, but you got men that always want to talk about sex, and they always, and I'm finna get on somebody's ass right now because I feel the need to bring him on in this too, because he pissed me off. I was having a perfectly good conversation the other day. He brought his punk ass. It wasn't my hangout, so I couldn't really just regulate on him. But I told him, I said, don't ask me nothing about sleeping with me no more, because see, I was in somebody else's hangout, and I done been got kicked out. It don't make me no difference no way I get kicked out of your hangout, because I'm not like other people where I got to be in your goddamn hangout. I got shit to do any goddamn way. That's productive. And so anyway, I was in another gentleman's hangout, and this dude brought his ass up in there talking about sleeping with me, talking about, do I wanna sleep with him? If you don't take your monkey, you don't get that little fella, get him. Ladies, now y'all know, ladies, you know good and blessed as well if and then, now I haven't had no mate, been with a man in a while, all right, in a long time, about over 2 years now. And if I do decide to be with a man and he word the hell out of me like this dude did. And he whipped. Yeah, you see me. You talking about a disturbed sister? Girl, you talking about? You ain't never, ever heard a woman degrade a man like I will if that motherfucker brought the hell out of me about having sex and he pull out that. Girl, now, I'm be honest with you.